my friends. In today's video we are going to repair the front wheel of the Xiaomi Mijia scooter, this one. Okay, it's the third time that I get a wheel flat in the Mijia. After repairing the rear wheel, I go to the bank that is 2 kilometers from here, and when I was in the bank, the front wheel get flat. The third time in very few time. I'm getting very tired of this scooter. So I decided, if after this reparation the scooter get flat again, I'm going to sell it. I don't want to change more times the wheel because it's very difficult. The first thing we have to do is with a sharp knife is remove this label here. Okay, I completely destroyed this one. What a mess. And the other one in the other side. Okay, I lost it, so we don't have to remove it. We have to use a Allen 2.5 to remove all the screws. Okay, with the wrench we remove the snoot here. Whoa, it weighs a ton. Now we remove all the air inside. I bought a reparation kit because every time spending 10 euros to buy a new is not good because it gets flat a lot. If not, it's going to be the most expensive scooter in the world. So now with the wrench we are going to remove the wheel. Now we press the valve inside. Now we are going to put this wheel on water and we are going to find where is the hole. Okay, we don't need to put it on water to find the hole is just here, as you can see. I put to my wheels also this liquid that is to prevent these holes, but it doesn't work for me, it seems. Okay, we can see that all this side is damaged. Okay, we are going to use first the sandpaper. Make sure your wheel is dry. Okay, we flatten the surface and we put the glue. And now the patch. Do you want an idea for a business? Put a factory of tube for the scooter, because you see there are a lot of scooters and in 3 months I get the wheel flat 3 times. It's not bad. You are welcome for the idea. Now like this video and subscribe to the channel. 50 psi, let's try. Okay, it took me 3 times to repair the inner tire, but finally I got it. It's more difficult than I thought. What I read is that the inner tubes of the scooter are very bad, and I think that this was not even punched because the hole is in one side. It's very difficult that something punch this inner tube from this side. It's possible. This material is so bad. Take a look very close. Look these scratches here. One of these scratches was the hole where the air escapes from the inner tire. Next time I will find a better inner tubes. Let's continue with the reparation. Let's release all the air from the tube. Okay, we place the inner tire inside its place. We have to put vaseline on the wheel. Okay, now we insert the outer wheel inside the microwave for 1 minute max potency. Wear gloves because after that the outer wheel is going to be very hot. Smells very good, like when you burn some plastics. Okay, now we have to put back the wheel. To put back the rear wheel is really difficult. Let's see that one. We put the inner tire inside the outer tire. Let's place again the wheel in its place. Okay, let's inflate the wheel, 50 psi. And we have the scooter ready again. It's difficult to change it. If you can pay it. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in next video.